In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a royalty option on KDP. KDP tutorial for beginners. Navigating the world of Kindle Direct Publishing can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. One of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right royalty option for your book. So let's dive in and simplify this process. First, when you're in the pricing section of your book setup on KDP, you'll find two royalty options available, 30% and 70%. Choosing between these depends on several factors, and understanding the differences can make a significant impact on your earnings. Let's consider the 70% royalty option first. This is a popular choice because it offers higher earnings per sale. However, it's important to know there are specific eligibility criteria you need to meet to qualify. To be eligible for the 70% royalty, the list price of your book must fall within a certain range, which varies depending on the country or territory in which you're selling. Make sure to check KDP's current pricing guidelines to see if your book's pricing is within this range. Additionally, the 70% royalty is only available for sales in certain territories. It's essential to double-check that your book's pricing structure aligns with the supported territories. You can usually find a list of these territories in your KDP account or on their official website. Next, after you've carefully reviewed the eligibility requirements, it's time to confirm your selection. Double-check your figures and ensure that your preferred royalty option matches both your pricing strategy and your target market's buying capabilities. This is your chance to make any adjustments before proceeding. So take a moment to think about your goals. Do you want a broader reach at a lower price? Or are you aiming for a higher royalty with a more targeted audience? Once you're confident in your choice, go ahead and save your selection. This is a crucial step because saving ensures that your chosen royalty option is applied to your book. You wouldn't want to do all this research and then miss out on applying it correctly. After saving, you're not quite done yet. You need to hit that Continue button to move forward in the publishing process. This step locks in your royalty selections and takes you to the next phase, where you can finalize other book details. Choosing the correct royalty option is pivotal to your book's success on KDP. By understanding the differences between the 35% and 70% royalties, checking your eligibility, confirming your decision, and saving it, you set yourself up for a smooth publishing experience. Thanks for tuning in to this beginner's guide. We hope you feel more confident in making your royalty choices on KDP. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell